Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shay loves to save. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute little key charms or keychains or bag charms, however you want to use them. They are just adorable, and I'm going to show you how I make them. Welcome back, guys. So here I'm going to be showing you how to make that blue charm for your bag or for as a key ring. And so I'm using I forget what you call that, but you use those that little long needle looking thing to make earrings, right? And so I'm going to be using it to just beautify the charm like I just showed you, and it's going to look something like what I just showed you. And we're going to go ahead and just load all the pretty little pearly things on and then attach it to that key ring there. Okay, and so here I am loading all those pretty blue pearly charms there, trying to get the right design that I want and make sure that they all fit, and they do fit. And so now I have to cut the end of that tail there, and then I have to make a nice little circle to close it up so that the beads don't fall off. So there I am cutting that wire off, and I finally got it off, and now I'm trying to curl it to make it close like the other end so that it does not fall off. Okay. And so, of course, on camera, anything can happen, right? So I was struggling. And so here is the new design. I ended up using smaller beads there, and I closed it, the ends, off camera, and it did go a little bit easier and smoother. So there's the finished product there. And so now I'm going to connect it to the actual keychain. I'm using that little jump ring there on the tool by connecting it on the end. And then I'm going to connect it in those little circles there so that it'll be like hanging charms, right? You know how you have the little charms on the charm bracelet. So I'm hanging it on the charm on the actual key ring. And it's going to be really, really pretty once it's all done. And once you get it on, you just close it up, and it's really simple to close. You just close it up right there. And there you have it. It's done. Right? And you can stop there and just have it just like that. Or you can add more charms to your key charm.